Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to see your reposts on TikTok. It means that how you can see the videos that you have reposted on your TikTok account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to see a repost on TikTok app. Click on the TikTok, click on the profile and you can see all the posted videos here. If you want to see your repost, it means that you have posted one video two times, like this video is being reposted. In this way, you can see from here your reposted or your posted video. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.